Elrigu Namaskara. Hello everyone. Welcome to World Education Center. My name is Kaushalya Mazge. Today's video is about how to apply MBBS abroad. Students are preparing for the 12th exam. They are preparing for the NEET exam. Somewhere in the corner of their mind, they are also thinking about MBBS abroad in case if they are unable to get into any Indian medical college, they want to go abroad for their MBBS. But they don't know how to apply, what are the steps to be followed and what are the procedures to be followed. Then today's videos is the answer for all your questions. Let's get started. First thing is eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria for studying MBBS abroad? Student should be 17-year-old. That means if the student is applying for September 2021 intake, student should be completing 17 years on December 31st, 2021. Second eligibility criteria is percentage. The student should have 50% in physics, chemistry, biology in case if they are from general category. If they are from SC, ST, OBC category, they should have 40% in physics, chemistry, biology. Oh, what is this? SC, ST, OBC. Even the abroad universities are considering this. No, not at all. Though different universities have different criteria. Some university may ask for 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%. But before choosing MBBS abroad, there are some basic guidelines which we need to follow from the National Medical Council India. Once the student complete MBBS from abroad, when they come back to India, to write NEET exit, there are some eligibility criteria. What is that eligibility criteria? One is the percentage of the student in 12th physics, chemistry, biology. That is 40% for SC, ST, OBC and 50% for general category students. So we consider this as a basic guidelines and recommend the students. So of course, when the student come to us according to their percentage, whatever the percentage they have, on that basis we are going to suggest them the different universities, different country, and so don't worry about it. But we are going to follow this basic guidelines from the National Medical Council so that student won't face any problem. But of course, different university has different eligibility criteria, different percentage criteria. So whenever you come to us, you please contact us so that we will tell you which country, which university has what is the eligibility criteria. On that basis, you can choose the universities. The next, if you are eligible to study MBBS abroad, you have to choose the university. So how are you going to choose the university? So if you have no idea, please do contact our admission desk. We have best counselors. We will tell you which country to go, whether it is Russia or Ukraine, China, Philippines, Georgia, any country it may be. So whatever the percentage you have, on that basis, so what is your budget, we are going to give you the free counseling on MBBS abroad. You may be having a different budget, you may be having different interest, you may be having some requirements like you want to go to Georgia or Philippines or China. We give you the best details about each and everything, and we give you the authentic information, we give you the comparison. On that basis, you can choose universities from MBBS abroad. It may be any country, any university. Please do contact us. You can talk to me directly. I'll be happy to help you, and you can contact our counselors. So they will be definitely help you, and they will definitely choose the best university for you so that you would do your MBBS from abroad and become a good doctor. So now that you have choose the university for you, the next procedure is application. What is the application process? Application process is very, very simple. You have to email us your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet and your passport and one passport size photograph. In case if you don't have a passport, please make one, because anyway whether you go abroad or you don't go abroad, making a passport is always safe for you, so that it is going to make your life easy in case suddenly if you decide about going abroad for MBBS or any course. So you have a passport ready with you so that you can immediately process for it. So you have mailed all your documents. So the further process will be different in different universities. Some places they have aptitude test, some places they have Skype test, some places they don't have anything. They directly give you the admission letter. But admission is going to be completely guaranteed. In some places, of course, some premium university, if you apply, you have to pass the aptitude test, you have to clear the Skype interview, then only they're going to give you admission. But most 80% of the universities are going to give you the 100% guaranteed admission. The next process is the visa. So you have actually applied to the university and got your admission letter. Next, we are going to make your visa. For the visa, the process is different. Different country has different process, but everywhere the common process is invitation letter. Any country you go, they are going to invite you to that particular country to be a student. So that is why it's called as invitation letter. We are going to apply for the invitation letter by using your passport. So different country has different time period to give your invitation letter. Once the invitation letter has come, we are going to make your visa. We are going to apply for the visa in India. Again, visa process is different in different country. Some places we can directly apply for the visa. Some places student has to go. We are going to get you appointment for submitting your visa application. So whatever the documents is required, we are going to tell you the complete list. So we are going to guide you through the complete visa process. After that, after submitting your visa in the embassy, we are going to receive your visa. Once we receive your visa, we are going to make your travel arrangement with group of students what we have, and you will be traveling in the group to any particular destination you would have applied. So we are going to book your air ticket. After that, we are going to arrange your airport pickup. After that, we are going to make your hostel arrangement. We are going to make your visa renewal after reaching. We are going to make your health insurance. All the process we are going to take care until you complete your degree. We are going to be with you. We are going to support you through all the process in this 6 years. So you will be there in the whichever the country you go for next 6 years. World Education Center is going to be with you and support you in all the phases, and we are going to help you through all the process. Don't worry about it. So this is about how to apply abroad. In case if you want to apply abroad, please do contact our admission desk and please talk to our counselors. You can talk to me as well. Now this is the right time. Your exams are nearing. Now that you have to really know what is your future and what is your future plans. In case if your dream is to become a doctor, you need to really seriously think about it. And in case if you're already giving your mock test, you're preparing for the NEET and you're also giving your mock test. If you're not scoring above 500, if you're scoring between 200 to 400, then you need to seriously think about it, because students who are scoring between 200 to 400, they are not going to get seat in India. So you need to keep plan B as an option. That means abroad as an option for you. Right now, start researching on MBBS abroad, start thinking about the university, start taking information, talk to us and talk to anybody you know. Then please make sure you decide some university, decide some country, talk to your parents so that they are financially prepared, because all of a suddenly you want to go abroad, again that's going to be a big problem for them, because they have to arrange money and all that. So please do plan your MBBS journey as best as possible, and we are going to help you. We will be there with you. So this is about today's video. If you like this video, please like the video and share it with all your friends, because this is one of the informative video which is going to help anybody and everybody in their MBBS journey. And thank you so much. Namaste.